All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol RNVA, currently trading at 09. I just got a comment on YouTube regarding this one, and just a shout out to you guys. I appreciate the comments on all the videos, and like I said, RNVA just got another one on it from I believe it was CA Juice. Thanks, David. You guys are the best. We do appreciate that very much. We really do appreciate the compliments and the feedbacks, good or bad. So, like I said, if there's something that we can add to these streams to make it better, we would like to know. If there's things that we can do to change it, let us know. Uh, so RNVA currently trading at 09. Like I said, 1227, 11 cents, 10, 20, and 30 day. Going to basically going to dictate which way you're going to go. You need to pound through that. That's what I said, right? That was back then on the 27th. Let me get that. Okay, there we go. You fought it. You got through the 10-day simple moving average. I know that I drew up a bunch of pictures on this one. So right here was a great day. On January 11th, you got through all simple day moving averages, but you gave it all back on the 12th. And then yesterday when I looked at it, okay, you guys got above that 30-day simple moving average. And I said, I watch possible run coming. I was extremely confident with that because of the fact that you were above that 30-day simple moving average. But what ended up happening is you gave it all back, right? But the good part about this is that it's not all bad news. Yesterday, you're only down one tick. You're off of 10 cents. You're down one tick. It's not huge. But here's the good news. Now you're at major support right here at 09. This is where it's got to hold, okay? Look at all this coming back into our RNVA. 08 is a huge level for support, okay? And that's going to be right after the 9 on the 20-day simple moving average. So when I pulled this up real quick, when I got the comments, I said, I want to cover over this one more time off of my on watch possible run coming. I am going to confirm that again. I still feel the same way, even though you pulled back off of that 11 mark that you were hitting yesterday. Look at these Bollinger Bands. That thing's like an arrow pointing down, pointing in, right? When that happens, it's either going to skyrocket up or it's going to pound down. One of the two. Guys, I love to see the buying pressure come back into here. There's a lot of selling going on. I hope that it's over and that I really, really hope that this turn that's going to happen here isn't down. But you're at a low level right now. Okay? I mean, the bottom is going to be at, 0.8, like I said. And that's going back over to November, using those off of that number. Let's keep this 0.9 to hold. If this 0.8 and 0.9 hold, especially the 0.9, that holds, I really think that this one could be setting up for a run. RNVA. Joe, was there anything new since yesterday?
No, so there's, let's see, 1 second. I seen something. No, not since yesterday. I mean, they had the press release yesterday. It was Rennova Health completes asset purchase agreement of Scott County Community Hospital, and they're basically expecting to open that operational by third quarter of 2017. What I was looking at was how it's the NASDAQ, and it is currently traded at 9 cents a share. So I was looking into that, and I went through their third quarter 2016 financial results, and one of their business highlights, it wrote that we were granted an extension by NASDAQ on September 13th of 180 days to comply with Rule 5550 relating to the bid price of the company's stock price not meeting the minimum dollar per share requirements to continue listing. If at any time before March 13th, 2017, the bid price of the company's common stock closes at $1 per share for share or more for a minimum of 10 consecutive business days, the company will regain compliance with the rule and the matter will be closed. So, I mean, they basically obviously have that extension. So, I mean, it's something to watch for. I don't say what will happen if they don't, but I mean, they got a lot of different things going on considering They just bought that hospital. But their revenues, basically, their financial results were net revenues for the third quarter of 2016 were 0.3 million compared to 5.9 million for the third quarter of 2015. The decrease was primarily due to the lower insured test volume, as well as the determination of, as of September 30th, 2016, that the collectible portion of our gross billings that should be reflected in net revenues was 15% of the outgoing billings, compared with 20% of the outgoing billings the prior year. The change in estimate of collectible gross billings impacted revenues for the quarter by 1.7 million. As a result, clinical laboratory operations revenues was 0.2 million in the third quarter of 2016, as compared to 4.1 million for the same period a year before. So I mean, they used to have all that. You know what I'm saying? We're talking 4.1 million in 2015 to 0.2 million. So I mean, they had obviously major shift, I guess. Like obviously they were going into different markets, I guess, with their products, because they do something with like their. So let me go to it. So they provide industry-leading diagnostics and supportive software solutions to healthcare providers, delivering an efficient, effective patient experience and superior clinical outcomes. They're an ever-expanding group of strategic brands that work in unison to empower customers. Yeah, I know. I was just basically, you know what, people, you know, you never know. What if this thing right here, they bought that other healthcare facility. This is what they do right there. So they basically provide industry-leading diagnostics and supportive software solutions to healthcare providers. What if they take that Scott's, what is it called? Scott's County Community Hospital, and turn that into like some kind of like a, you know, a modern, up to date, like smart freaking hospital, and next thing you know, they just blow up. You never know.
Right. Okay.
So something to.
Yeah. It's covered it. I mean, I'm just telling you guys how we see it. We'll circle back around it again. I'm sure it's not gonna be the last time.
Mhm.
Right now, 09 on watch, possible run coming. I still feel the same way. Joe, thank you for all the information. RNVA. Hopefully that just helps you guys out. Everybody that follows RNVA, all the people over here on YouTube, make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out our live stream. Check out the site. Share with thousands of other members that are here. And make sure that you guys share the video. I totally appreciate it. Thank you.